Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Let's Try and See with Dina B. And the question I am asking is, will I go blonde this summer? And I decided that I was going to try to dye my Mongolian kinky curly hair from ISEEHair. So what I did was I did a two-process lightning, if that makes any sense, a two-time lightning process. I don't know. But what I did was I went ahead and I mixed my bleach with 50 volume developer, and I bleached the hair for 15 minutes the first time, and you will see the color it lifted to. And then I went back and bleached it again for 20 minutes to try to get a little bit of a brighter color. That yeah, you're gonna have to watch and see how it goes. So yeah, check out the video. Okay, so after 15 minutes, I came back to check on the status of my hair color. And the first 15-minute process, it really didn't lift very much. So I let it sit another 10 minutes, which equaled out to about 25 minutes total processing time the very first time. And so I didn't think that this was lifted enough, so I went ahead and let it process another 10 minutes. Okay, so at this point, we're at 25 total minutes of processing the first time I bleached it, and this is the level it got to. So now I'm going ahead and I am going to rinse it out. So this is the color after it was rinsed. Yes, it's still wet, but I wanted you to get an idea of where the color was. And then I went ahead and blow dried it so that you can see the true color. So that's what you see here. Okay, so what you see here is the color, the final color after the first time I bleached it. Now you can see the gold and the yellow undertones a little bit more, but it's still that kind of gingery red, which is the same color that I wore the last time I bleached my hair. But like I said, can I go blonde? So I figured, I see the potential. It can possibly get blonde. Let's dye it some more. And this is the result of the second lightening process. Obviously, it is much lighter than it was before. So here I am. I'm going to go ahead and rinse that out. And here you see the blow-dried finished version of it. Now, my only issue is, yes, it is lighter. Yes, it's brassy or whatever, but you can always tone that. But my problem is the lack of curl pattern. And as you can see, this is another sample of the Icy Curly Hair. Still curly, still, you know, beautiful curls. And if I'm gonna bleach my hair, I still need those curls to pop. So the answer to my question is no. I will not go blonde this summer, sadly. Maybe I can highlight, maybe I can do some streaks or something like that, but I will not go ahead and bleach my entire head because these limp curls are not where it's at, and I just cannot get with that. Maybe I can do a light bleaching, a very gentle bleaching or something like that where I can still have my curls and have a little bit of color, but that's about it. So yeah, no blonde for me, especially if I want to still use this hair. I'm just really happy I only used a sample. Just a sample. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, for more videos like this one.